Most influencers will go broke in 2024. Yeah.
Isn't this a little too much?
Yes, I know there's a lot of money to be made in social media, but given the low barrier to entry, the competition is just going to get worse and worse. Anyone with half a brain and an iPhone can now create content. It is
I think it's true and also not that true.
the discipline and the consistency to keep making better and better content that will keep.
Yeah, that is where the problem is. But even before being consistent, tons of people just procrastinate and tons more people just reject to make content.
Keep you ahead of the game. Yeah, that viral song and those viral dances they used to do to get a whole bunch of views, that shit is gonna go away soon. So
That's pretty much guaranteed.
level up your content game in 2024 or start looking for a new career.
If you want to learn how to level up your content game without spending hours, days, weeks, and here I am making a video about it. So this is what we do in order to make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. We use AI to learn valuable skills and information fast. Then we turn our knowledge into short videos. We upload those videos on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These platforms send us free traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.